నమస్తే సార్.
Namaste.
మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు?
We came from Tamil Nadu and Chennai.
చెన్నై, తమిళనాడు.
Tamil Nadu from Hindu Acharya Sabha.
హిందూ ఆచార్య సభ సెక్రటరీ ఆఫ్
Yeah, I'm a Hindu Acharya Sabha National Organizing Secretary, and this is our Tamil Nadu team, and this is our state director, and this is our general secretary, Tamil Nadu State General Secretary, and one more general secretary is there, organizing secretary and youth wing presidents. So this is our Tamil Nadu team, and we have more team in our Chennai, in our Tamil Nadu actually.
ఓకే. అంటే టెంపుల్స్ పైన ఇలా జరుగుతున్నాయి కదా, వాటి గురించి మీరు ఎలా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు?
Yeah, we have saved in Tamil Nadu. We have saved a lot of temples in nearby Tiruvannamalai as well as and more temple properties we have recovered from the political parties or political persons, and we have faced a lot of problems with the fightings and like that also. And nowadays we have so many restrictions for Hinduism in Tamil Nadu, but we are broken to that and everything, and facing through it and take out everything.
ఓకే. అంటే గవర్నమెంట్ అనేది ఎలాంటి రూల్స్ పెడితే బాగుంటుంది టెంపుల్స్ విషయంలో?
In government they are put some rules and regulations, but people have to follow at the same time. But some of persons are breaking a rules. At the same time, lot of against rules also for Hinduism also is there. That is also we are facing some protest against government also.
సెంట్రల్లో బీజేపీ గవర్నమెంటే ఉంది. బీజేపీ గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే అందులో హిందూయిజం చాలా ఉంటుంది కదా, అటువంటప్పుడు ఈ ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఎందుకు టెంపుల్స్ పైన ఎక్కువగా దాడులు జరుగుతున్నాయి?
See, BJP government is there in central, but in state we have to save temples. But which BJP are focusing focusing temples. But how to save? Who will save? Not BJP person. Our Hindu people only have to save. Our Hindu people and Hindu-based regional persons only we are taking some risk. But BJP are focusing and focusing some good things, but we are taking some of risk. At the same time we need more support in this saving temples, because lots and lots of temples in Tamil Nadu or without any working also. Even for one day puja also they are struggling, but we are funding for that. So this is our agenda also. And Annadanam also not doing properly, and lot of temples it's demolished conditions only.
ఓకే. అర్చకులకి ఇప్పుడు అంటే అర్చకులు కానీ పురోహితులు కానీ సో మెనీ మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఎలాంటి రక్షణ ఉండాలి అంటారు గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand this. Government is supporting us much, but we require more support for archakar salary have to increase salary archakar, and some of persons are Christianity peoples inside the temples they are working inside. That is they have to find out in Tamil Nadu. So that small issues also is there in Tamil Nadu that have the government have to support.
నాట్ ఓన్లీ తమిళనాడు, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియాలో కూడా టెంపుల్స్ పైన ఇలాంటివి జరుగుతూనే ఉన్నాయి దాడులు. వీటిని మీరు ఎలా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారు? గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు?
See, across the country I was roamed nearly 14 states. I was worked with 14 states, but I think so, but not proper in more than Karnataka it's well. At Andhra have to save more temples, and government also have to support more than this. Every area in government temple property, more than Hindus, Christianity and Muslims only they are enjoying the property, not in Hindus. that only have to take out taking responsible to that government have to take responsible and right decisions also.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు హిందూ ఆచార్య సభ యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటి, ఇందులో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
Hindu Acharya Sabha is first agenda is to unity with Hindu people without any caste problem. We need every people to join in this Hindu Acharya Sabha. So unity, we should not see party and again anything, caste wise anything. We need only Hindu. We need to see only Hindutva. Then only we can take our responsible to the government. So now we are every districts in Tamil Nadu we have almost totally filled with every districts, and members also lot of members more than in this year itself, upcoming year itself we are going to join nearly 5 lakh member. So members are joining very soon. So let's be taken another next step. We have to take it forward to every all over India, as well as we started worldwide also.